What's going on, everyone? Back for week 4? Yeah, week 4 of Thursday Night Race League. Getting ready right now. This week it is on Upper Deviant, which is a bit of a weird one because it's a pretty flat trail. So ultimately, it kind of feels like this race is going to be, who could pedal the hardest, which probably not me, but we'll see how we do. I was at Creek yesterday, actually, and, kind of took a few runs on Upper Deviant trying to figure out what the best line, I guess, is, because it's certainly not the one I usually take over the Rainbow Bridge thing, and then into that, little kicker. So I tried first sticking to the left and kind of trying to cut between the drop, if you could even really call it that, and the little wood kicker thing. And that was definitely not the move. You just have to kind of zigzag way too much, and it just makes you lose a ton of speed. So next run, I just went straight over the drop, and that's probably the better line. I think the best line would probably be to gap that whole thing, but I am certainly not skilled enough to do that. So I think what I'll try today on my first run, a little warm-up run before the race, will probably be to see if I can just hit that double and kind of land on top of the drop, since I don't think I can gap it. But yeah, and then other than that, I guess it's really just going to be about scrubbing the jumps and just carrying as much speed as possible. So definitely a bit of a weird one. I'm not a huge fan of this being one of the trails, but we'll see how it goes.
You can go whenever you're ready.
Get it!
Oh, I fucked that up real bad. Oh, I'm fucking tired. I never came in that fast to that little shark fin before the 3 jumps, and I just panicked and slammed my brakes.
Yeah, I almost lost it at the right when he went into the pipe. I got yeah. Not great.
I see. Oh. Oh my God!
plants are falling down.
Did you see me almost die?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. I don't know. I've cut way too much speed now. You're good, you're good. No worries. Ugh. Yep.
where you go right into the berm?
Huh? Yeah! Oh my god, I'm so glad. I'm so glad those poles aren't sturdy. Oh god, I was too focused on what Tyler was doing. I think I blanked. I was gonna say, I'm over here smiling like you can see that shit. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh.
All you got.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so glad I held that together.
Would you hit the rock and it rolled?
I just like slid out on the turn there. I don't know. Oh! Oh, it's the lightning is crazy.
Alright, back home in the driveway. I did not record my second run, unfortunately. Right now I got results in, but my second run hasn't come in yet. So right now we're sitting at 11 out of 13 with 46.7 seconds. Unfortunately, I think my second run was even worse. So let's see if final results are in now. They are, or at least Joey's. Yeah, did a second worse. So ended 13 out of 14. Second to last once again. That seems to be the theme right now for Thursday Night Race League. Yeah, Joey got me by 0.3 seconds. Oh, we no longer have Aiden sitting in first at -11. But, yeah. So next week, I will be in Highland. I will not be at Thursday Night Race League, so I will be back. It'll be a Highland video, and we'll be back with Thursday Night Race League in 2 weeks.